Try mo.
Your outfits are so cool.
Hello, oo nga.
Feeling ko Chinese yan. Hindi ko alam.
Alam mo yung field runners
Kumanta ka.
game?
Nakita.
Ulo.
Meron.
Laki kasi yung ulo ko.
Pagka-task letter.
Ah!
Everybody. Naman Chinese. Chinese.
Hello?
Chinese na mga game.
Mamsi.
Chinese garter.
10-20 yun, di ba?
Baka yun, mga...
Kailangan aapakan dalawa yung
Oo, yun marunong ako nun.
1, 2, 3.
Ako hindi naman ako marunong nun. 10, 20,
40.
Tapos di ba ganyan one?
Chinese
Sabi
letter.
mga ganito, yun ba
Di
yung...
ba dalawa yun? Dapat pa mo?
Di ba yun may ginaganto?
Yung binubuhol.
Hindi ako marunong. Nakita ko yung sister ko pala.
Oo, nung grade school.
Lalaki kaya naglalaro din ng ganun, Chinese girl.
Jackson, di ba Chinese din yun?
Ay, sana yun na lang, kuya, kahit anong exhibition pa.
Oo nga, Jackstone, kaya ko rin mag-Jackstone.
Chinese around the world, mga ganyan.
Oo, di ba?
Yung mga tinatago-tago pa sa
Yo-yo,
cave.
Chinese din yun eh, yo-yo.
Baka may paraphernalia dyan.
Ang football nga sa records, Chinese na kauna.
Oh?
Daming yun ng Chinese.
Parang
Hindi kayo
putla ko.
na. Hindi kayo na ng mga angkan mo.
Oh, gumagawa ng mousetrap. Doon lang linalaki. Yun na, yun na yun. Lapitin ng mga daga.
Lapitin ng mga peste.
Este.
Yan. Gusto ko yung hyper kayo. Hyper din to eh.
Uneasy na ako sa kung ano to.
Yung ano ko sumabit sa sa garter.
Pero wala pa lang naman eh. Yun lang yung challenge. Yun lang yung challenge. Kung kaya ba natin yung ibuksan.
Kulay blue.
Ang papel.
Eh bakit sinabi na hintayin ng udyat ni kuya?
What if I have to open it tomorrow? I won't open it now.
Hindi. You open it on
When?
next week. 5 weeks from now. Oh! Ano na naman yun? Ikaw talaga, Ting. Ang dami mo ng dami mo ng atraso sa akin. Oh, ano na naman? Oh. Ay, hindi pwede. Hindi pwede.
Lapos lang kung tanaw dito ba? Diyan, gapang bro, isa din ang lubot.
Peripiti.
Peripitiw.
Chikitam, pitong pam, pitong pam.
Sino yung sa, Samba.
Kako and Pamong. Tsaka si Mama Luz and Unan.
Oo nga pala.
Peripiti.
Nakakatawa pag nagpa-practice sila Mama Luz and Unan.
Oo.
Parang asawa sila.
I miss Una and Mama Luz now.
I miss Mama Luz. Paano ba yung
Miss Mama Luz.
She's always like this.
Oo.
Miss Ryan. Mama Luz. Kuya Unad.
Erika.
Ate Erica.
Silang lahat.
Stephanie.
Steph! I miss Steph so much.
Me too. She took care of me while I was sick.
And she's
Kuya
fine.
Roy, no?
Oh, she's fun to be around.
Jericho.
Si Jericho, tahimik lang eh.
Oo. Halata nga. Sobrang...
Tahimik lang siya.
Si Unad, pasensya na.
Gagang pa yun.
Titingin pa ng ano yun eh. May girlfriend pala yun.
Ah,
Sa Dubai.
Bakit hindi ba... Pagtingin mo, ay, wala tong girlfriend.
Oo, parang ganun.
Bakit?
Kala ko,
Parang hindi siya, seryoso. Masyado.
Akala ko pinag-iisipan mo rin bakla.
Hindi. He's always joking, but he's very sweetheart.
He's actually really smart too.
Super smart and sweetheart. But at first, we didn't know. Kasi sila ni
Lord Lin.
they're always together and they fart so much.
On each other.
Oo, anytime, anywhere.
So
Overtime, part ng part.
Parang si Kigoy.
Pero it was for fun on each other.
Talaga.
Kigoy farted just to fart. They farted on each other.
Gusto niya ilipat yung sa atin kasi nahihirapan siya, pero ayaw niya ilipat yung sa kanya.
Kuya Eting, ah!
Nagbago ka na talaga, Ting!
Wala! Ano na to? Lahat kayo nagbabago? Ayan.
Masakit man sa damdamin. Pilit pa rin.
Pilit kasi.
Ang bibig kasi.
Nagustuhan
Ano ba
niyo
yun?
ba yung Captain America?
Gusto ko yun, Captain America.
Nagnoto ko yun.
God bless America. Ano ba yun?
Tama ba yun?
Captain,
Nasa utak
si
ko.
Chris Evans. Gusto ko siya yung so What's Your Number?
Ito yung pinipilit mong panoorin ko, di ba? Kasi ito yung nakakatakot, di ba?
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Ano siya?
I want to watch
Sino ba yan
Paranormal
sa,
Activity.
Playboy Mansion na movie. Yung kamukha ni Britney. Pangalan niya.
Yung kapatid ni Britney na buntis, no?
Ano ba pangalan nun? Alam mo yung
Sino?
movie na
Bigyan,
Playboy
bigyan.
Mansion something?
Faris?
Oo. Anna Faris. Yun yung girl sa What's Your Number. Super, ang ganda ng movie.
Ito yung huli mo napanood bago ka pumunta dito.
Ay, hindi. Second
Second.
to the last. Yung last ka, Paranormal Activity.
Oh, I want to watch that so bad. Number
Scary.
3.
Ay, yung
I
baby.
love
Yun yata
scary
yung
movies.
best.
Number 3 yung best.
Pinaka-nakaka.
Yan ba yun yung may baby?
Hindi, number 2 yan. Number 3,
Yung dalawang bata.
Oh!
it's like, kasi diba, first is like the latest. It goes back in time. So 3 yung pinakaluma.
Oo.
Like nung bata sila.
Peripeti.
Meron dun yung baby, di
Totoo
ba?
pa rin ba yun? Yung
Sa-
Wednesday?
Totoo ba yun?
Hindi.
yata eh.
They're just independent filmmakers. Yung first film, they spent $13,000 lang and then they made millions and millions of dollars. Super cheap and independent. And then, sa film festival lang, then Steven Spielberg picked it up and then it went into cinemas. Well, oo. So yung grabe yung...
Yung one maganda.
Hindi ko pinanood lahat, matatakotin ako.
Maganda yung
Ano
one.
story?
Oo, pero iba kasi...
Spirit eh. Parang family.
Parang may ghost haunting the family.
Oo.
The first one made like a lot. People thought it was real.
Oo, pero hindi nila
For
alam
a
mo.
while, people thought it was real.
Oo, like there was websites.
Pero hindi, it was a mockumentary.
Oo.
Yung una, totoo. Yung first.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Gawa-gawa lang pala.
Just video camera.
Ano ba yun sa
Tapos lahat
Alien?
improv.
The fourth kind.
Yeah, the fourth kind.
Oh,
Yun yung totoo.
it says that it's real. It says you can choose whether to believe it.
Yung nun, boring.
I believe it.
Ano mo na
Nakakatakot.
ba? Fourth kind?
Hindi, yung number 2.
Paranormal
Ewan ko
Activity.
lang.
But when you've watched it already, it's not scary the second time. Kasi alam mo kung anong mangyayari. Tapos kung
Pero
walang
pinaka-nakakatakot
volume,
talaga 3.
I want to see. That's what everyone says. Yan yung pinakamatakot.
Kasi dalawang bata, tapos basta,
Ano yung 2? Ano yung baby?
Kasi it's like the family of the sister of the girl in the first one. So, may baby sila. Nakakatakot.
panoorin mo na.
Number 2?
Ayoko, matatakot.
Number 2?
Hindi ako nanonood.
Do you remember when she was in the
Napanood ko yun sa
All
Sige.
the-
Nanonood lang ako pag may kasama
Or
ako.
the part where, kasi may baby, diba, yung part where she's holding the baby.
Oh,
Super
no,
nakakatakot.
I didn't like
Yung
it.
yaya namatay, no?
Natutulog nga ako
Hindi,
bukas
hindi,
ilaw.
nangyaya.
Ako din.
Buhay pa.
Sino yung parang nahila ng nahila doon?
Dilim.
Yun na yung nakakatakot. When she's dragged down the stairs.
Oh, yun.
Yan.
No, I thought this was sitting on the...
Ako-carry.
Hindi, pag mag-isa.
Di ba may dog pa nga?
Oh, no, and then the door, and then when it opens again, she's not there.
Di ba may dog pa?
Ano to?
Di ba may dog?
Oo, kawawa
Yung
yung
malaking
dog.
dog.
Oo, yung German Shepherd. Labrador.
German
And
Shepherd.
then she yells.
Oo, German Shepherd. Or when she's holding the baby and she's just like this, on the chair. Nung napossess na siya.
What happens after? Or no. What happens after that part where she was sitting in the chair? Or
Takot
she was looking out the
ako
window or
pag
something.
mag-isa lang.
there was-
Ako rin. Pag may kasama ako nanonood ako, pero pag wala, ulo.
Or is it something like she's looking there and then she looks
Hindi,
away
sa
because nothing's
dilim.
there, and then when she looks back, she's standing there in the door.
Yung una kong pinanood na nakakatakot exorcist.
Pero wag mo
Yeah, oh my
kasama.
God.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Okay lang, syempre.
And then
Pero
the
ayoko
dad
ng
dies,
lights.
she dies.
Gusto ko yung nakikita ko.
She comes in first.
Kisame. Gusto ko rin nakikita ko yung kisame.
Konti.
I wanna see number 2 so bad.
Dim lang, dim.
Diba? Oo, yun.
How did
Okay
they
yun.
get rid of the... I know...
Ewan ko.
May nakikita
Like
ka.
the girl from the first movie
Ewan
comes
ko.
at the end of the second.
Mas
Yeah.
naglalaro ang...
Yeah.
Yeah, what was that again?
Yeah, the girl from the first movie. That's her sister.
Ako hindi ko alam. Ano,
Yeah, and it's
no?
supposed to be like the night
Naglalaroan
that the
TV.
first movie happened, the ending. That's when, because the bias is like...
Basta
they
maganda yung
settle
what's
down.
your number.
And then at the end of the second
Ano,
movie, that's when she
paglabas?
walks in.
Nakakatawa.
Did she kill somebody?
Yeah, she breaks the
What's your
father's
number?
neck.
Yeah, she's so
Ano kaya
scary.
mo?
Yeah, she's like staying there, and then he's like, "How did you?" And then he breaks his neck, and then goes up, and then
Does she
she's
take the baby?
Yeah, she throws her sister across, and she dies, and then takes the baby.
Yung number 3, does it connect to number 2?
No, it's a super prequel, isn't it? When they're
Or
still little
iba.
kids. Yung bata pa sila.
Oo, yung bata pa yung ano, yung part 1, so yung part 2.
Oh, it's like
Yung
before.
part 2, di ba, tsaka part 1, magkapatid sila.
Also, the third is parang yung first talaga.
It's the very, very.
I wanna see it so bad.
Talala ko tuloy.
I like scary movies with loud volume.
Oo, hindi. Sa cinema, ganito ako. Ganun pa ako. Tapos,
Kasi hindi ako nanonood ng nakakatakot.
Or yung
gusto nakaganon ako lagi.
Insomnia. Insidious. Did you see that?
I
I
saw
watched that in the movies. It was scary, but then it got weird at the end. I didn't. It got too ridiculous.
When I found out the Satan or Darth Maul, whoever that was, she looked like Darth Maul. Plays with dolls.
Or when she was like, you know when they move to a new house, and then the lady, whoever comes to visit, and then she looks and it's just randomly here next to her. That was so scary.
Me and my friend, we came up, we paused it before the end. We were like, okay, so, wait, what's gonna happen? Like, it's obviously gonna be a twist. I mean, it would be too predictable if the guy didn't make it back and he was the old woman. So let's come up with something else. But that was the ending, so we were like,
Yeah.
sorry about.
Oh, it's when he takes the picture. Oh no, when she's like, she feels like it's the old woman again, so she takes a picture.
Such a feeling's coming now.
I just thought it was weird how then he had to go into the dream and then find his son, and I thought that was a little bit too ridiculous.
It was like, what else happened? I thought that part was funny when the kid is possessed ng bata and then hampas ng isang lalaki. You hit the wall. I was laughing. I was like, what?
But yung demon, nakakatakot yung demon. Or when it's on the roof,
Oh,
or when it's next to it, it's like,
we call him Red Guy. You're like,
Down in
Red Guy.
creation and the only
You look like Darth Maul.
explanation I can find is the love that I
it's
found.
just weird to think that a child is trying to say, kasi diba yung actress, she's really like,
top of the
or something.